Well, I really love winter season for this winter morning actually. Every day I come here at this beautiful place at the morning time to bask in the sun. Just not only for in this season when my SSC exam was going on, at the time I used to come here at the morning time. It was also winter season actually. I used to come here at the morning time to bask in the sun, and just not only for SSC exam. In 2020 when it was pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, at that time I also used to come here to memorize my English vocabulary. And right now I am at the same place again. Every day I come here to this mesmerizing place, to this sun shining place, to bask in the sun. So if you want to take you away from cold weather, then try to come at the natural place, at the sun shining place, to take you away from cold weather and make you fit and fine. So take care of yourself, take care of your family, and keep practicing. Allah Hafiz.